Hey guys, how's it going? This is the fifth video I'm doing to improve your vocabulary and listening as well. Today we're going to talk about compliments. Have you ever complimented someone? If so, how would you do that? There are some sentences or some words that you can use to compliment someone. For example, you can say, "You looks good." Or "You look amazing." That's one way. When you want to say that someone looks pretty, in example, in a clothes, for example, you can say, "Oh, that jacket suits you," which means that jacket is pretty good and suits you good. So you're looking good. You can say, for example, black. For example, I love wearing black, so I can say black looks good on you. If you like other color, blue looks good on you. You can also say, "Oh my gosh, you look amazing. You look gorgeous. You look stunning." So tell me, which word do you like or expression to use? And write down below. Create some sentence to practice your writing. And I hope that I could help you some way in your lesson too. And don't forget to subscribe and see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.